Hi, my name is Massimiliano Baldieri, and I'm the owner of Baldieri Lighting Design. We are based in Rome, Italy, and I'm glad to be here at this Women in Lighting event. There are some questions I should answer, and one is about my work. So, how I get into lighting. Well, this company was founded by my father in 1968. Was at the beginning was just a resale company. We just sell products, lighting fixtures, technical, architectural, decorative, and but we used to make a little bit of a consultancy anyway, and so it grows up a lot. We got a computer to make the first renders really on early 1980. We bought a photometric lab just because all the light fixtures we want to use it, we couldn't find like right now online because there was no online really on 9080. And so we could measure all the light features to use on our software to make the first lighting calculation. Then we really thought that was the path to make the lighting design instead of just selling products. And it happens a few years ago, really, when I got an experience in New York where I could see a lot of lighting design studios that they work very well. And so I say, why not? We cannot do it. Why we have to sell products instead of ideas? So after this experience that I had in New York, when I came back in Italy, we started completely the new business. Another question is about my work. I love it. It's really incredible how a lighting designer can go really through different topics, from commercial to retail to residential or hospitality. And it's really interesting. You never get bored about your job. I would like to show you one of our latest project in New York City. It's a retail store in Soho where we use tunable white technology on a custom chandelier. We use this technology to increase the comfort of the space and change the color temperature according to the daylight. As mentioned, we are based in Rome, so we have the opportunity to work for heritage and landmark building. We are doing now the lighting system for the Curia Julia inside the Roman Forum. It's the Senatus, where emperors and senators were meeting. Another interesting project is the Colonna Traiana. The Colonna Traiana is inside the Roman Forum, and we design a custom light fixtures, battery operated, to be installed between the walls. We couldn't make any wiring or any kind of drills, obviously. And the system is with two light sources. One is direct to the steps, another one is indirect on the space. I would like to show you a short footage of my little daughter climbing the stairs inside the column. The light features has a sensor that detects you and switch on and off the light just to preserve the battery charge. As you can see, there are two type of light features, one direct for the step and security, another one is an indirect just to show the space. But the most important part is not really the light features, but the view you get when you arrive at the top of the column. Another challenging project was a small church on the Appian Way. We had the really low budget, but regardless, we could think about an interesting project. So we used two type of light features, one to enhance the apsid and another one to enhance some architectural details on the walls. And we got an award also. So we were very happy to work at this kind of project. And talking about art, we have also the opportunity to work for Gagosian, and we made the lighting almost 12 years ago. And we use obviously halogen light features, but we just did it a new refit with LED, high color renders. Well, on the question, which projects you would like to work, it's really an hard question. I don't know. I mean, I think that The next one, just the next one. There is no one that I would like to, but the one that I'm probably doing in the future. That's it. The other question is if I am specialized in one job. Well, I would like to say that I'm not specialized in any, because every time any project is completely different from another. And I would like to borrow a phrase that I read that I really like it, that we are not here to question the possible, we are here to challenge the impossible. I like it very much, but it's not mine. At the question, which project are you most proud? Well, no doubt, the Galleria Nazionale Arte Moderna in Rome. It's a beautiful and big museum, and I'm proud of it just because I had to work on this project twice. The first one was over 30 years ago, was my father's project, so I was just looking at him. And now that we had to remake it, it was emotional, and I really like it, and I am really proud of it. Which is the biggest challenge? Well, this is another question. One of the biggest challenge was a project we made of a polyfunctional building, just because we have to use all our knowledge about lighting, because this place has conference rooms, museums, offices, a kindergarten, and also a huge outdoor. So this was quite challenging, was a big one. We enjoy, and also the client was really illuminated. How does the light inspire me? Well, as I titled this interview, Live Light, I would like to say that living with light, that's what I do every day. So, and the other meaning is also live light in lightness. So no matter what happened, just leave and enjoy your time. And the other thing that inspires me, and I would like to show you some pictures on a site survey that we are just making a new project in Venice. And I try to look at the natural light, at the effect, our shadows, and I would like really to reproduce that kind of emotional thing that I could see on this picture on the real project. And it's hard, but that's what inspires me. The last question is message for women in lighting. Well, this is the hardest one. I don't know. I'm not good enough to give advice to women. They already know a lot. Trust me, I have a personal experience. Anyway, well, thank you for hosting me and have a nice day. Bye.